Mel's trying to get into the V-Hub and we're not allowed in.
No, I got the car, but I can't use it. Oh, Aunt, come in.
Hello. We've just arrived at the Aventura Hotel and the room's not quite ready, but we're in the V-Hub, which is a little lounge for Virgin Holiday bookings. And basically you've got a few chairs, tea, coffee,
some fruit,
and
in the morning there's a grab and go breakfast.
Yeah.
So that's a nice little perk, and you can, even if you haven't booked the whole package through Virgin, if you book a hotel through Virgin, you can still get access to the V-Hub, so it's worth thinking about.
The breakfast will be useful, won't it?
Yeah.
Because you don't have to waste money on that, or time. So, it's pretty simple, but like the breakfast, we'll film breakfast. It'll be easier than trying to explain it. So let's have a quick room tour. This is the basic room. It's got 2 beds. Is that the light?
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Funky light. It looks like a Dyson Airblade thing. And we've got the car park view.
Yeah.
No, you've got the car park view. The pool down there, and not Cabana Bay. What's that? Volcano Bay. The water park. And it's raining. We've just had a thunderstorm, but you can see blue skies approaching. There's a little partition there. What's that? Oh, coffee and tea. Coffee machines. Fridge. Wardrobe space, safe. The safe is actually big enough for a laptop. There's another 2 USBs and 2 plugs in the desk. This is the partition, sink, look, and the usual shaped American toilet. They must have some sort of toilet federation in America. They're always that shape, whatever hotel you go in. They never have trendy ones. And they have the same light switches. TV and media. So you've got YouTube on here. You can croak Netflix, internet and tools, dining, room controls. Room controls, what's that? Basically lights and air conditioning. Vestibule. Off, on, off, on. What do you think of the room, Mel?
I think it's a nice room, considering it's fairly budget price.
Yeah, don't forget it's a budget hotel. You forget when you stay at a Universal hotel.
How much did we pay?
It was one of the I think it's the cheapest.
I think it was £110 a night.
Yeah, we paid, yeah.
This, which I think for the extra perks as well you get with the Universal Hotel. You don't get all the perks. You don't get front of line fast passes, but you do get early entry to the parks.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, for a budget hotel, it's pretty good, isn't it?
I think it's nice.
We came in with high expectations, but it's a fraction of the price of the Royal Pacific and the Hard Rock.
Yes, yeah. It's like half the price of the Hard Rock.
Yeah, so so far, first impressions, good.
I think I prefer the theming of Cabana Bay, but I don't know
there's no real theming of this place, is it?
Not really. It's got that like little symbol that looks like a fidget spinner.
One thing I've heard mentioned by Tim Tracker, and I think he's right, I'm not going to take the risk to find out, is there's no tinting on these windows. You may think, I'm up 7 or 8 floors, what's the problem? Well, the problem is people parking their cars just over there can, as soon as they arrive, they get out and see you and you're all together, getting a full frontal. Hey, maybe in the evening, maybe there's a crowd of perverts over there, I don't know. Maybe that's the new Orlando thing to do. I'm in the rooftop bar of the Aventura Hotel, and it's called Bar 17 because it's on the 17th floor. Good thinking there. And from the rooftop bar, they got an open patio area. You can see that's Sapphire Falls, Islands of Adventure. You can see City Walk over there. There's Universal Studios, Rip Ride Rockets, Royal Pacific. And over in the distance, you can see the castle, Hogwarts. Not a bad view. It'll be quite nice when the sun goes down. And right over there is downtown Orlando. On the opposite side is iDrive. Well, we're just about to check out of the Aventura Hotel, Universal Orlando. And what did you think of it, Melissa?
I think for the price it's good value.
Yeah, it is a budget hotel, and the rooms do reflect that a bit, don't they?
The rooms are very big.
Yeah.
The standard rooms are very big.
And I don't know how, it's quite nice now, but it's only a month old, if that, just under 4 weeks. So I wonder how these rooms will bear up to the abuse. But it's a Loews hotel, and they're normally quite a high standard, aren't they?
Yeah, I think obviously you're paying for the location, which is very close to Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure and City Walk, and you're paying for the perks, which is, what's the perks on this hotel?
You get early entry.
Early entry to the
and
park.
you can walk over to the hotel next door, the Sapphire Falls, and get the water taxi.
Get free buses.
They don't actually mention that when you check in because they don't really want people to do that. But,
no, but
you can. You are allowed to.
Free buses as well.
Yeah.
To City Walk.
Yeah. Anyway, we can't talk too long because my arms. I'm holding the camera.
Okay.
I've packed the tripod.
If you book with Virgin Holidays, even if you book a hotel, you get access to the V-Hub, which is a little lounge, and you get free breakfast. It's very basic.
Yeah, so if you're in another hotel, it's not really worth you coming over.
No.
But if you're here, it's worth going.
Because it's very basic, because it's a muffin, a cereal, and a bit of fruit.
And I was meant to say Volcano Bay is next door, the water park,
yes.
Not Cabana Bay.
I'd like to say Sapphire Falls next to actually. I think that looked really nice.
But our favourite, we stayed in most of them, except Portofino and Sapphire Falls. A favourite so far, and value for money, I would say, would be Cabana Bay.
Cabana Bay, yes.
Yeah.
But if you've got the money, it is worth splashing out on the Hard Rock, I think.
But Aventura, one plus point, it's the smallest of the hotels, so it's relatively quiet. Food court's quiet, the pool's small, but it's quiet. You can get a sunbed. We
didn't eat in they got like a small food court area. We didn't eat there, but the food looked actually quite decent. I think it was probably better choices than at Cabana Bay.
When we were upstairs at the bar,
the bar's good.
Yeah,
as
the
well,
rooftop bar is quite a nice view. Somebody described it quite well. Oh, the sun's coming out. See, we're by the window. Oh my god. Somebody described the style of the hotel.
Yeah.
As like Miami style, which I agree with. It does remind me of some of the hotels we've stayed in Miami area. So
slight IKEA feel to it as well.
Yeah. Miami stroke IKEA. Anyway, we have to go and check out now.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, my arm.